It's Saturday night. Every table is booked. Then the no-calls start. Table 4, gone. Table 9, gone. You're standing in a packed waiting room turning people away while half your dining room sits empty. Meanwhile, you have no idea which deposits cleared, and your best-selling dish might be the one quietly killing your margins. Sound familiar? It doesn't have to be this way. A fully booked night means nothing if guests don't show up. No-shows and last-minute cancellations bleed you dry because you turned away walk-ins, your staff is standing around, and you have zero record of who did it to you. You can't enforce a policy you can't track. The same guests do it again next month, and you never even know. Deposits should protect you. Instead, they create a second problem. Which ones cleared? Who canceled and got refunded? Who owes you money right now? It's buried somewhere in your email, your notebook, your head. Disputes come up and you have no clean record to point to. Cash slips through the cracks not because you weren't careful, but because a spreadsheet was never built for this. You work the line every night pushing dishes you're proud of. But do you actually know which ones make money? Food cost is only part of the picture. When you factor in prep time, waste, and portion size, some of your best sellers might be your worst performers. You're making decisions by feel when the real answer is sitting in data you've never been able to see. This is the restaurant reservation and table manager. When you open it, you see a clean main menu with everything in one place, eh? Guest records, bookings, table assignments, deposit tracking, and menu item data. No subscriptions. No spreadsheet chaos. Just a complete system built for how small restaurant operators actually work. This is the no-show DTL report. Every canceled and no-show reservation pulls into one clean view, eh? Guest name, phone number, server, deposit amount, and confirmation number, all lined up together. Filter by date range or status and you immediately see who your repeat offenders are. No-show DTL gives you the documentation to back up a tighter deposit policy and start recovering that lost table time. This is the Deposit STS report. It groups every reservation by deposit status and shows you total deposits collected, average deposit amount, canceled count, and no-show count side by side in one view. Run Deposit STS anytime and you know exactly what money is confirmed, what's still pending, and what's at risk. No more chasing records across inboxes and sticky notes. The answer is right here. This is the Item Profit Report. It calculates net sales, total cost, gross profit, and margin percentage for every single menu item across whatever date range you choose. Sort by gross profit descending and the picture becomes clear immediately, eh? Which dishes are carrying your business and which ones are costing you? Item Profit turns menu and pricing decisions from gut feelings into numbers you can actually defend. This is a one-time download. No subscription. No monthly fees. No expiration date. You buy it once and you own it forever. If you're tired of losing revenue to problems you couldn't even see clearly before, this is the tool that changes that. Click the link below and get it today.